Since the dawn of time, fire has been a symbol of warmth, energy, and the power to create. It has guided travelers through the dark and brought people together in celebration. Today, we craft our own symbol of light, a vibrant fire torch made from paper. A simple yet powerful expression of creativity and playfulness. To begin, gather your materials, colorful paper in shades of red, orange, and yellow to mimic the flames, a sturdy base for the handle, glue, and scissors. Each piece of paper will come together to bring this torch to life. Take the colored paper and carefully cut out flame-like shapes. Layering different shades will give the illusion of a flickering, dancing fire. Feel free to experiment with shapes. After all, every flame burns uniquely. Now, let's build the handle. Roll a piece of thick paper into a cylinder and secure it with glue. This will be the foundation of our torch, strong enough to hold the flames of imagination. attach the flames to the top of the handle, layering them to create depth. Watch as the torch takes shape like a beacon of energy, ready to light up any space. A few final touches, a gentle press to secure the flames, and there it is, your handcrafted fire torch. A symbol of passion, adventure, and the joy of creation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting paper craft ideas and creative art media. Don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow crafters so they can join in on the fun too. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more inspiring projects. A torch may guide the way, but its true magic lies in the hands of the one who carries it. Whether for a festival, a celebration, or simply as a playful reminder of creative energy, this fire torch is more than just paper, it's a spark of inspiration. What will you ignite with yours? Thank you for watching.